everything that we do improves health, whether it's mental health or physical health. It is providing some improvements for people, some access to health care. So my name is Jennifer Kloeppel, and I am one of the founders of Showers for All. We are a mobile laundry and shower trailer that serves the unhoused population in and around the Metro Denver area, just providing that essential hygiene service, and then also connecting people to other services that they may need by building relationships with our guests. So we're a staff of 3. So it's my partner Kellen, who founded this with me, and then we have the most amazing person on the ground running our trailer every day. We started dreaming about what it would look like to bring services directly to people. You have to go so many different places for food and shelter and whatever it is. Why can we not bring this service to people? It was not acceptable for us to create something where then we were asking people to put dirty clothes on clean bodies, or we were asking people to put clean clothes back on dirty bodies. And so it was essential for us to kind of create this trailer that was gonna do both. Our trailer has 2 bathrooms, and then we have 3 washers and dryers. So we will give them a spare change of clothes that we have with us all the time. They'll hand out their laundry, they'll take their shower, we'll start it. But the gift of having 3 is we're constantly moving laundry. When they move into the shower, our average time is 20 minutes, which is pretty incredible. But if people take a little longer, we don't really knock until 30. We do want to check on people. They can put on the spare clothes that we have and come out when their laundry's done. We have a big pop-up tent. They can go in to change if the bathroom's open, and they can jump back in there. Between people, all touch points are getting washed before the next person goes in, and people will sit and wait and spend the day with us. So we'll get to connect with people. And our highest priority beyond hygiene is just getting to know the people that we're serving, their names, their story, and then what they need most. This man named Neil, and he came to us while we were serving there, and he had a port in his chest. And so he had pancreatic cancer. It was terminal. And he said, can I wait till the end of the day to shower? I have to go in for treatment tomorrow. And every time I go in for treatment, everyone's frustrated because I have an infection. I can't keep my port clean. I have no way to keep it clean without access to running water or a shower. And my clothes are dirty. So then everything's dirty. And then I get an infection, and then I can't get the treatment I need until I get the infection treated. And we sat and we waited until the end of the day, just talking to him and hearing about what his prognosis was, how long he's been on this journey. And when he finally got in the shower at the end of the day, we could hear him groaning through the wall as he was cleaning around this port. I don't know if when he got in, that he realized how good it was gonna feel. And I don't think he realized afterwards how important that was. But when he popped his head out afterwards, he had this huge smile on his face, and he said, I will be here every single day until I'm gone. And he was, and he came back to us a couple of days later when we were back in Jefferson, and he said, I didn't have an infection, and they were shocked. And they were able to treat me right away. And so he spent the last 6 weeks of his life with us. He spent time sharing lunch and talking to us and telling us about his life. When it was time for him to go, he said, thank you for making the last couple months of my life one where I felt like I had dignity, and like I had, like that I was in charge of my health. When I watched the transition from people entering the shower for the first time or handing us their dirty clothes, it's so often met with an apology. I'm so sorry that my clothes are so dirty. And we just keep telling people, like, you owe us no apology. This is what we're here for. Then when they transition out of the shower after, there's a big smile on their face, there's joy, and then putting clean clothes on that body, it's a powerful shift in how they walk and carry themselves. We've heard people come back and say, I got a job, I got on a housing list because my caseworker would see me, I got to walk into a place and not feel like everyone was staring at me because I look different. And so I think that that's beautiful, right? It's impacting mental and physical health in such an incredible way. And it's so simple. It's a shower and it's laundry.